Let's face it, the idea of working on a 9 to 5 can be stressful and sometimes unfair. But what if I told you there's another way? One that doesn't involve a boss, a cubicle, or a rigid schedule. Something that helps you make a living without even leaving your house. That's right. It's a business model that allows me and my students to make $10,000 plus a month with Instagram using our phones. The cool part is that because of how easy it is, you can basically do it as a side hustle. If you want to know how this works for a beginner like you, I explained more about it in detail in my free training video. Click the link in my bio.